students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear the concept of normal residents or non-residents of a country. So first of all, what is meant by normal residents of a country? Normal residents means it can be a person or an institution. Who resides in the country या who lives in the country for more than 1 year. Any person or institution who is living in a country more than 1 year, he will be the normal resident of that particular country. Or next concept, his economic interest also lies in that country in which he lives for more than 1 year. So this is the terms and conditions which must be fulfilled for the normal residents of a country. Number 1, a person or an institution that can be normal resident of a country. Number 2, he must be reside in the country for more than 1 year. Number 3, his economic interest must be lie in that country in which he is living more than 1 year. Or economic interest means he is earning or spending. It means through his earnings or through his spendings, he is contributing to the country's economy. That will be considered as normal resident of a country. Now I am drawing here rest of the world. To make a difference between who are the residents or non-residents of a country, let us explain the concept with the help of this diagram. Number 1, this is a country, Nepal. Daily many workers cross the border and moves in India to earn their wages. Daily workers cross the border will not be considered as resident of India. These are non-residents because they daily cross the border and ultimately in the evening they move to their particular country. They earn from India but they consume in Nepal. So their economic interest doesn't lie in India. So those are not a normal resident of India. Number 2, this is the building of a college. So the students foreign students which take admission in India to any college, those will not be considered as normal residents of India. These are the non-residents. And similarly, Indian students studying abroad, suppose that in USA, those will not be a normal resident of USA, either those are studying for more than 1 year. And now let us also explain the concept of normal residents with the help of normal resident or citizens. What is the difference between normal residentship or citizenship? You can take citizenship of any country in which you are taking birth. Then automatically you will get the citizenship of that particular country. But suppose that an Indian who is a resident of USA, he is living in USA for more than 30 years, although he is having citizenship of India, but he is not a normal resident of India, because for normal residentship one must stay in the country for at least for 1 year. And similarly, this is the building of a hospital or any foreign patient who comes to India for the treatment will not be considered as normal resident. He is a non-resident of India. So let us distinguish between resident or non-resident. Non-residents are those persons who are, number one, students who comes to India, or the Indians who go to abroad for studying. Those will not be considered as normal resident because they are going just for studies. Either they have studies more than 1 year there. Number two, patients for treatment will not be considered as normal residents of India. Number three, daily workers who cross the border. Number four, tourist. Number five, crew members of aircrafts and ships. Number six, sports persons. Number seven, diplomats or military establishment. Number eight, foreign engineers. Who came to India for the technical establishment. Any foreigner engineer who came to India and he is suppose that we have import a technology from Germany, and German engineers came to India to establish a particular company. They are providing their infrastructure. they are providing their services will not be considered as normal resident of India. Ultimately, as well as their work will be over, they will be moved back to their country. Similarly, crew members of aircrafts or ships. Suppose that a ship who is staying in a port for more than 6 months. So the crew member of this ship, crew members will be considered as non-residents of India. Crew members of air, similarly, a foreign aircraft which comes to India, their crew member will also be considered as non-residents crew members of this aircraft. Suppose one another concept, suppose that any international institution suppose that IMF or UNO, Red Cross Society established in India. So the members who are working in these institutions will be considered as non-residents and similarly Indian embassy in USA, that would be the earnings of the members of this Indian embassy, that would be considered as normal resident of India, because India is paying salary to their staff. And similarly, any military establishment at abroad Indian military establishment in abroad who are going for the training to abroad, so their income will also be considered as, those will also be considered as normal resident of India, not the normal resident of that particular country in which they are going for the training. And similarly, many engineers, many software engineers move to abroad for their earnings, will be considered as citizen of India, but will not be considered as a resident of India if they are staying there for more than 1 year. If they are staying more than 1 year in Germany, then he will be considered as normal residents of Germany, but will not be citizen of Germany, because they are staying more than 1 year in Germany, so they will be considered as normal resident of German, not the normal resident of India. So who are the normal resident of India? Number 1, any government institution who are paying salaries to their employees either in India or at abroad will be considered as normal resident of India. All the government institutions who are paying salaries to their employees either in India or at abroad will be considered as normal resident of India. Similarly, all the embassies which are situated in India, foreign embassies which are situated in India, the staff who are earning salaries will not be considered as normal resident of India. Those are non-residents because they are earning their salaries from the country in which the embassy belongs to. But if they are staying more than 1 year here and their economic interest lies in that country, then those will be considered as normal resident of India. So we have clear here three concepts. Number one, normal residents. Number two, citizenship. Number three, non-residents. Once again, I am revising. If you are staying in a country more than 1 year and your economic interests are also lies in that particular country, it means your earnings you earn in that particular country as well as you consume in that country, it means you will be the normal resident of that country. For citizenship, you have just take a birth in that country but you are not living in that country. Or non-residents, it means you are going to some particular country just for studying, just for treatment, just for earning salaries, just for holidays, to spend holidays there, and you are the crew member of any aircraft or ship, you are a sports person, ultimately you will came back to India. Any diplomat or military establishment or foreign engineers who came to India for giving their technology and ultimately they will go back to their country will be considered as non-resident of India. So hope that you have learned a lot with the help of these diagrams, the concept of normal resident and non-resident of India. Do subscribe the channel to see more videos related to theoretical portion of national income. Thank you.